Hey there, welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many guys out there, our prostate health. If you've ever dealt with prostate issues or BPH, you know the challenges it can bring. Let's explore a therapy that's making waves in the medical world and could potentially change your life. Imagine this: frequent bathroom trips, weak urine flow, and that frustrating feeling of not fully emptying your bladder. These are just some of the daily struggles that can really mess with your day-to-day life and overall well-being. But here's the exciting part. Recent studies have uncovered a promising solution: prostate massage therapy. It's not a quick fix or a one-size-fits-all approach, but rather a proven method that targets the core issues of prostate health, offering long-lasting relief and a renewed sense of energy. So, let's talk about BPH, or benign prostatic hyperplasia. As men age, hormonal shifts can cause the prostate gland, located just below the bladder, to enlarge. This gland surrounds the urethra, the tube through which urine flows. Now, conventional treatments often involve medications with side effects or even surgery. But now, there's a new approach on the horizon: prostate massage therapy. Prostate massage therapy involves gentle, manual stimulation of the prostate gland. This can be done externally through the perineum or internally via the rectum, to enhance blood flow, reduce inflammation, and clear blockages in the prostatic ducts, ultimately relieving the symptoms of BPH. But does it work? Let's dive into the groundbreaking study that sheds light on its effectiveness. In a recent study published in the Journal of Urology and Andrology, researchers explored the impact of prostate massage therapy on men with BPH. They divided 150 men aged 50 to 75 into two groups. One received weekly prostate massage therapy sessions for 6 months, while the other received standard medical care without the therapy. The results were remarkable. 70% of men who received prostate massage therapy reported significant symptom relief, especially with nighttime urination and urgency. They also experienced improved urine flow and even a slight reduction in prostate size. So, why consider prostate massage therapy? Imagine saying goodbye to the medicine cabinet, skipping side effects, and avoiding recovery times. Prostate massage therapy works naturally with your body to support prostate health. It's not just about fewer bathroom trips. It's about better sleep, less discomfort, and feeling more in control of your health and daily life. To reap the full benefits of prostate massage therapy, it's essential to follow a few maintenance tips. These tips will help ensure the effectiveness of the therapy and contribute to your overall prostate health. Consistency is key. Regular sessions, whether weekly or bi-weekly, are crucial for achieving long-term benefits. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for prostate health. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and reduces the risk of urinary tract infections. Maintain a healthy diet. A balanced diet plays a significant role in prostate health. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is important for maintaining a healthy prostate. Avoid excessive alcohol and caffeine. These substances can irritate the bladder and prostate, leading to increased urinary frequency and discomfort. Limit your intake of these substances to maintain optimal prostate health. Manage stress. Practice stress management techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness. Engaging in hobbies, spending time with loved ones, and getting adequate rest can also help reduce stress. Regular checkups are essential. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider help monitor your prostate health and track the effectiveness of prostate massage therapy. Educate yourself. Stay informed about prostate health and the latest research on prostate massage therapy. By following these maintenance tips, you can maximize the benefits of prostate massage therapy and maintain optimal prostate health. Ready to take control of your prostate health? Contact us today to learn more about how prostate massage therapy can improve your quality of life. Don't let BPH control your life. With prostate massage therapy, there's hope for a brighter, more comfortable future. Take the first step towards better prostate health today. Because you deserve it.